Solve your question on discussion board. Refer to the figure to the right. The vector appears to be a scalar multiple v is blank, where the scalar is negative. And this negative scalar is negative. That's the critical part. So here's v, and you see these two. They all four of them appear to be pointing in the same slope. All four of them have the same slope. So they're all scalar multiples. W, A, and B are all scalar multiple of V if they point in, if they have the same slope. The key is the negative part. Negative, here's V. Negative means it's on point in the opposite direction. And there's only one of these that point in the opposite direction, namely W. And so these are pointing in the same direction as V, and this one's pointing in the opposite direction, which is what this negative means. So W is going to be the answer. This negative part that's the clue. Hope that helps.